I'm so happy to welcome you back to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Scandinavian interiors are known for their timeless blend of simplicity, warmth, and elegance. In 2025, this style evolves with an even more modern edge. Think minimalist gray palettes, cozy black accents, and layers of soft textures that transform a neutral living room into a sanctuary. Today, we'll explore how you can create a Scandinavian-inspired living room that feels both sleek and inviting, where natural wood tones balance darker elements and textures add depth. Whether you're working with a small apartment or a spacious home, these tips will help you style with confidence and bring the Nordic calm right into your space. Gray is the hero of Scandinavian interiors in Arling. Instead of feeling cold, it creates a calm, versatile base when paired with the right tones and finishes. Choose warm grays for walls and soft furnishings to maintain coziness. A matte gray sofa with simple, clean lines becomes the perfect anchor piece. Layer it with light gray or off-white throw blankets, adding subtle contrast without breaking the minimal vibe. Pair gray walls with sheer curtains in similar shades to allow natural light to flow freely, a hallmark of Scandinavian design. Remember, the key to using gray is variation. Mix different undertones, from cool stone to warm taupe grays, so your living room feels rich and layered rather than flat. Black, when used sparingly, transforms a neutral living room from simple to sophisticated. In 2025, Scandinavian homes embrace black metal frames for coffee tables, shelving units, and even slim-legged chairs. These accents give structure to the softness of gray while keeping the room uncluttered. Consider a black floor lamp with a minimalist silhouette or black-framed art prints on light walls. These details ground the room without overwhelming it. Black textiles also work beautifully. A textured black cushion on a gray sofa or a dark wool throw draped casually creates contrast and visual interest. The secret is restraint. Black should act like punctuation marks in your design, adding definition and style. Scandinavian interiors are never just about clean lines, they're about comfort. Cozy textures are what make a minimalist space feel livable. Think chunky knit throws, boucle cushions, and soft wool rugs underfoot. In 2025, layering textures is one of the most important styling tricks to avoid a sterile look. Pair smooth leather with nubby linen, or mix matte ceramics with natural wool. Even small details like a sheepskin draped over a lounge chair or a woven basket for storage add dimension. Textures not only soften the strictness of minimalism, but also create a warm, inviting feel, making your living room the perfect retreat. Scandinavian style would be incomplete without wood. It's the soul of Nordic interiors. In a gray and black palette, natural wood adds balance, warmth, and an organic touch. Opt for pale oak coffee tables, birch shelving, or ash sideboards to keep the space airy and bright. Wooden accents, even in small forms like picture frames, bowls, or trays, instantly lift the neutral tones. In 2025, there's a strong focus on sustainability, so reclaimed or eco-friendly wood finishes are especially popular. The contrast of sleek black metal legs with warm wooden tops is a design trend you'll see everywhere this year. It's minimal yet grounded in nature. If you're enjoying these Scandinavian living room ideas so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and leave me a comment with your favorite styling tip. Your support helps me bring you more inspiration every week. Minimalism doesn't mean bare, it means thoughtful layering. In Scandinavian living rooms, layering adds richness without clutter. Start with your base, gray walls and sofa. Then build layers with textiles, cushions in different shades, throws with subtle patterns, and rugs stacked for texture. Add wall art in muted colors or abstract black and white photography. Use lighting as another layer. Combine a central pendant light with table lamps and candles to create mood. The trick is to keep everything cohesive within the neutral palette while varying textures, finishes, and heights. Layering creates that cozy, lived-in Scandinavian feel while staying true to minimalism. Scandinavians are masters of lighting, and in 2025, it remains a key element of design. Since natural daylight is limited in Nordic countries, homes use layered lighting to mimic warmth. Choose simple fixtures with black or wooden finishes for a modern look. Pendant lamps with matte shades, minimalist floor lamps, and even strings of fairy lights can transform the atmosphere. Candles are still a must. They bring an organic flickering glow that makes gray and black interiors feel soft and inviting. Place candles in black ceramic holders or wooden trays to enhance the style. Lighting is what elevates your space from functional to magical. Scandinavian minimalism avoids clutter, but still embraces personality through statement pieces. In 2025, oversized art prints in neutral or monochrome palettes are popular. Think large black and white photography or abstract gray paintings. One sculptural chair in black leather or a designer coffee table with a wooden top and black steel legs can define the whole room. Decorative accents should be purposeful: ceramic vases, textured pottery, or a stack of stylish books on your coffee table. Keep surfaces clean and let each chosen item shine. The beauty of Scandinavian decor is its restraint. Less is more, but what you choose speaks volumes. Scandinavian living room design in 2025 is about harmony between gray and black, texture and minimalism, warmth and simplicity. By blending cozy textiles, natural wood, and thoughtful layering, you can transform even the simplest neutral palette into a stylish and inviting retreat. Remember, the secret lies in balance. Just enough contrast, just enough softness, and always a touch of nature. Whether you prefer sleek black accents, soft gray foundations, or wooden warmth, this style adapts beautifully to modern living. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe for more design ideas, and let's continue creating homes that feel both timeless and personal. See you in the next video.